The following movie is rated I.
Come on, Minitruck. I'm going to give you a bath. We got to do a little bit of work. Go see how that trail is in the back. I bet you that's really overgrown. We'll do that before we take a bath. She starts right up. That's overgrown. I'm not gonna be able to keep the camera out. Oh, that was a heck of a ride, Minnie. Woo, haven't put you through something like that in a while. Oh my God. Let's go get you washed up now. Picked up a few leaves there, Minitruck. Ow. No problem for you though, Minitruck. No problem at all. Been a while since you got a bath. Dirty girl. All clean. Clean on the outside, but a little dirty on the inside. I had to go drop off this dash cam I bought for the Fiero. It does not record in 4K. They lied. And I got 2 key tags going out. Thanks, boys. Minitruck! Still running good down the road too, girl. 2 going out. Thank you, boys and girls. Let's go to New Mildew and drop off this dash cam thingy. do my drop off at Staples. Send this back to Amazon. Hit up Aldi's, some grocery shopping.
A few moments later.
Aldi's shopping done. Let's head home, girl. Get some soup off a Mini. Mama said we could take the Minitruck to go eat. Haven't done that in a while. Beekman Diner. Already did a food review there, so won't be doing that, but we'll take you along for the ride anyway. I did install this new dash camera. Really, it's for the Fiero, but it's fairly inexpensive, so if it does work good, I'll leave that in here and buy another one for the Fiero. This Minitruck is a beast. Mama said okay to bring the Minitruck. Minitruck's all excited.
I didn't say bring Mini. I said I didn't care what we take. Did that person fall asleep? Did you see him? Oh, look in the mirror. Oh, there's someone back here. Oh.
Well, let's cause an accident. Let's let him out. Good thing I didn't floor it.
They're so stretched you can see all her skin. Why did you do that?
The kid liked it. Like that big horn? This guy's got his feet out dangling. What a non-driver. Holy cow. Look at
Crackhead.
all up.
Yeah, I was home waiting to go out and you left me.
Hurry up, it's still light out. Always a pleasure, Minitruck. Now where could Gizmo be? There he is.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.